Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Amren Kumar Pandey, working as consultant cardiologist at Dharamshila Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi. Today we are going to talk about a very common disease, heart attack. What are its symptoms? What are the causes or risk factor? And how to prevent. A heart attack or myocardial infarction occurs when the blood flow to the heart is blocked. This blockage occurs most often due to buildup of fat, cholesterol and other substances in your body that forms a plaque in the arteries feeding the heart. Sometimes this plaque ruptures and causes a clot which interrupts the blood flow to the heart muscles. These interruptions can lead to damage to the heart muscles. Heart attack can be fatal, but as the treatment has drastically improved over the year, so now we are saving more and more life of heart attack victims. Common symptoms associated with heart attack are pressure tightness or uneasiness in the chest, usually on the left part of the chest, that is also radiating. This pain is also radiating to the arm, forearm, and sometimes to the shoulder, sometimes to the back, neck, and jaw are also involved. Other symptoms associated with heart attack are shortness of breath, sometimes fainting episode, nausea, vomiting, upper abdominal pain, and transient loss of consciousness can also occur. If we talk about the risk factor or causes of heart attack, then risk factor mostly associated with heart attack are advancing age. It usually occurs in male after or at 45 year of age and in female after or at 55 year of age. So you can say female has this 10-year advantage, but nowadays it can be seen even in younger male and females also. Other important risk factors are tobacco smoking or tobacco chewing. Not only active smokers, those who smoke cigarette, but second-hand smokers are also affected, especially if it is prolonging. Other risk factors are obesity, diabetes, metabolic syndrome, family history of heart attack or heart disease. Some autoimmune disease can also lead to early onset of heart attack like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus syndrome. Hypercholesterolemia या dyslipidemia is an important risk factor for occurrence of heart attack. So if we talk about the prevention, how to prevent heart attack, it is never too late to take early steps, especially if you had already had one. Most important of them is medication. Your doctor can prescribe you some blood thinner agent like Ecosprin or in association with other drugs like statins, which decreases your cholesterol level. Other than that, anti-anginal can be prescribed. These are important if you have already had one episode of heart attack in the past. Other most important thing is lifestyle modification. You already know the drill. You have to have a healthy weight with healthy diet. Other thing you need to do is to decrease your weight, maintain regular exercise, maintain healthy diet. Sometimes people ask about what we should eat and what we shouldn't. So for this, there is a DASH and Mediterranean diets. These are important and you can Google on it. You can start with some small steps like add vegetable in each meal, at least 2 or 3 your important meal. Add some handful of nuts in your salad, at least one fruit in your diet. These are small steps with which you can maintain a healthy weight, you can maintain a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and these things can prevent subsequent heart attack or your first heart attack if you are already close to one. So this is all about the heart attack. Hope you find it useful. Thank you.